Hello everyone, this is Mayank Janji here, and we are right now at a very crucial juncture in terms of Nifty. Uh, few reasons is because of technicals. The other reason is the two major events which are lined up for the next couple of days. For today, it is the state elections, especially Bengal and TN. Tamil Nadu, and second is that how this U.S.-Iran conflict shapes up. Just a while back, Donald Trump has posted a message on Truth Social. He said that he'll be working closely this week, starting today, to clear the congestion in the state of Hormuz. He said that that the other countries who are not involved in this conflict should not face the brunt of this conflict, and hence it says, I mean, Trump says that he wants to clear the Hormuz for those containers of the country which are not involved. How this will happen, nobody knows whether it will be a forced one or a coordinated effort with Iran. Nobody has the answer right now. So, how this event shapes up, again, let's see. So, these two are the events which are lined up plus the technicals. So we'll discuss the technicals because that's what we can control. Other things is not in our control. So so on the hourly chart, it is quite visible that there is a little band of resistance. Why this is I'm calling it a band is because इस बैंड से निफ्टी काफ़ी बार इस यहाँ से करेक्ट हुआ है if you see this, but it broke this level the first time here. Entered to this band, it fell sharply. Tried to come to this band, and then again fell sharply, consecutively for the next few days. It again enters into this band, and then it falls down. I'm calling this as an outlier, which is happening here. I'll call this an outlier. Probably this band was crucial. So this band has an importance in terms of uh, whether Nifty would really able to again cross and able to cross this band or not. In the last attempt also it went in the middle of this band, and then from there it again fell. तो इस बैंड का द अपर जो अपर एंड है दैट इज 22443, so I'll call it a 24450. The downside is 20, I mean on the six up the bottom end of this band is 24100. So for us 24100 to 24400 is the key level which we have to watch out for. If it crosses this band, then it definitely opens up the level of 25,000 for us, which is a good sign. And if not able to cross this band, we have a support lying at 23,800. This is the level from where the last time also Nifty recovered. And if this gets taken out, it clearly opens for us is this kind of level, I would say, which is 23,100. So this will open up, which would be not a good sign. But as a trader, hourly chart tells me if it goes above 24450, I'll can take a buy position, and if I go below 23,800, I can sell it with some kind of stop loss, 100 points or whatever. So that's what hourly chart tells you. The daily chart shows me a level of 24,500, or I would say a range of 24,500 to 24,600 broad level पे. If it able to close above this level today or tomorrow, or in the near past, near future, then it opens up my levels, which is in the range of 24, 26, 300. So कितना खुलता है ऊपर, आई थिंक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मेरा अराउंड 600-700 पॉइंट का निफ्टी का एक बैंड ऊपर खुल जाता है. डाउन साइड अगर ये 23,500 को ब्रेक करता है, which is like this level, then it really opens up me towards sorry, if it really goes above sorry, this is not a level. I'll just so if this level gets taken out, so for me, 20, I mean, this is 2500 taken out. Then I think I'm staying at level of 23,000 or maybe 22,500 as well. Now, why this 2500 is because अगर आप देखो तो this is where this whole again it's again a small band. If I say would it's a small band, इसका ये lower end है. अगर मैं एक और यहाँ पर लाइन खींचा तो इसका एक lower end है इस बैंड का. इफ दिस गेट्स टेकन आउट, यहीं पे देखना बार बार यहाँ से रेजिस्टेंस आता था. पहले पहले सपोर्ट था, फिर इसने रेजिस्टेंस बनाया इसको, फिर इसको ब्रेक किया, फिर काफी ऊपर तक गया. अगेन इट ब्रोक दिस लेवल, बट दिस टाइम इसको यहाँ पे रुक इस बैंड में रुक नहीं रहा है. बट क्योंकि एक इसका एक इतिहास रहा है, तो आई मे बी दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस लेवल कि ठीक है, वील हैव अ लेवल ओवर देयर. And once this gets broken, I think I'm staying at level of at least 23,000 first, and then possibly the level of 22,300, which is again a not a good outcome for bulls. So this is how my setup for daily chart. Just remove some lines here. अब हम जाएंगे एक बार वीकली चार्ट देखने के लिए, वीकली चार्ट में क्या आउटकम है. So if I go to weekly chart, this is what comes out to be. So my weekly chart, अगर इस वीक में क्लोजर इज बिलो 22,500, अगेन देखो यहाँ पे भी एक हमेशा सपोर्ट रहा है इस लेवल पे भी. काफ़ी बार वीकली लेवल भी यहाँ से बाउंस बैक भी लिया, 2 बार रेजिस्टेंस भी दिखाया. इस बार इसने इसको ब्रेक किया है, बट इस यहाँ पे कुछ रुका नहीं है. बट अगेन आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस इज अ लेवल which bears some importance. If we go below this for some reason, then opens up the range for 22,100, which is again a fall of around 1,400 points. The upside, if it somehow able to close above 25,100 or so, then it would really opens up, the possibility of going and touching, the levels of this, which is at least 25,700, if not much, and then possibly a retest of 26,300 for me. So this is how my setup is. So if I combine everything, then okay, I'll also show you open trust data as well. So this is open trust data. अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो देर इज द मैक्सिमम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फॉर इन टुमारो एक्सपायरी लाइज 24,000. और अगर मैं इसको एक बार के लिए 12 मई या उसके बाद मैं बाकी का अगर स्ट्राइक्स ऐड कर लेता हूँ इस मंथ की, तो इट्स क्लियरली विजिबल कि 23,500 पे एक सपोर्ट है, और ऐसे ही जो है आपका 24,500 पे एक इसका एक रेजिस्टेंस है. 23,500 के बाद 23 है, बट अगेन क्योंकि राउंड ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स होती है तो नॉर्मली से होता भी है. बट या दिस इज वेयर द डेटा राइट नाउ इज सेटअप. If I just combined everything, it is quite visible that what trade should I have? I have to first look at the levels of 20. We just typo here for you guys. So I have to as a trader, I need to look for levels above 24 5,000 for any kind of buy trade. In my view, nothing lesser than that. See, it is quite far, but it is important. Since even because my hourly, daily levels indicate the resistance in this level. Similarly, on the downside 23,800 and then 23,500 is important. I can take a dip short trade below 23,800, and then a strong, if I say conviction, strong conviction, trade below 23,500. This should be my strategy for today. We give a stop loss of 150 points depending upon your risk appetite when you go into this trade, and see what happens. So this is my analysis for today on Nifty. Let's hope we make some good money out of it, and wish you very best of luck. Just be safe. Just safe trade. Do safe trading. and keep your levels, in mind, and have a strict stop loss. This, thank you very much. Have a good day.